feeling bloated? Ugh, it's the worst, right? But don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you, a belly-soothing drink that will have you feeling amazing in no time. This magical concoction is not only delicious, but also packed with ingredients that will help reduce bloating and improve your digestion. First up, we have cucumber. Cucumbers are not only refreshing but also incredibly hydrating, which can help reduce water retention and bloating. They're also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making them a great addition to any bloating-fighting drink. Next, we have ginger. Ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to aiding digestion. It helps to relax the muscles in your intestines, allowing food to move through your system more easily and reducing bloating. Plus, ginger has been shown to have anti-nausea properties, so it's great for soothing an upset stomach. And let's not forget about mint. Mint is not only refreshing but also helps to relax the muscles in your digestive tract, reducing gas and bloating. It also has a calming effect on the stomach, making it perfect for soothing any digestive discomfort. To make this belly-soothing drink, simply blend together some cucumber, ginger, mint, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a bit of water until smooth. Pour it over ice and enjoy the refreshing and soothing benefits of this magical elixir. So, the next time you're feeling bloated and uncomfortable, reach for this belly-soothing drink to help ease your discomfort and get you back to feeling your best. Trust me, your stomach will thank you.